Hi, I'm Tom Frischella with Phillips Chevrolet. I'm here today in a 2018 Chevy Cruze Premier Edition. I'm going to demonstrate the Valet Mode system on our cars here that we have on all the Chevy products here. Real quick, just to show you, everything is available to the driver. To get into the Valet Mode, we're going to hit the Settings button there. Gives you a list of options, Valet Mode right there. When you go in, you can hit any 4-digit code that you will remember. For simplicity here, we'll make it 1234. You'd hit that, hit enter. It says re-enter the code 1234 and lock. When I hit lock there, it'll flash for a couple of seconds and it'll enter Valet Mode. In that case, everything is locked out to the valet driver. Obviously, they can basically work the functions of the car, stop and go, but all of the radio and all of your personal options, everything, even the dash, is locked out. Now, next question would be, how do I unlock that? You would hit the button, it'll tell you that it's locked. We would know our special code here, 1234, unlock. As you can see, everything goes back to normal there and full features of your 2018 Chevy Cruze. So to see more features, come and see me. My name is Tom Frischella here at Phillips Chevrolet. Be more than happy to show you everything else this car can do. Thanks.